Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be talking about 12 core features of the WhatsApp Cloud API. So what's an API? An API is it's an acronym for Application Programming Interface. That's the meaning of an API. If you've ever registered for an account and you have the option of registering using your Google account or your Facebook account. So that means Google and Facebook provided their API to that particular website to be able to engage using the accounts that are registered on Facebook. And from the word cloud, cloud is they're just distributed servers located at strategic position around the world. Okay, so what's if you look at WhatsApp business, what's it really talking about? Now you have your normal WhatsApp business, and over the time, customers' complaints come to WhatsApp, so they decided to bring in a new platform where you can engage an API. So meaning you can, instead of sharing out your phone numbers, you can share out your link to maybe social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, so that when you create your ad directly, when one just click on the ad, it brings them straight to WhatsApp. And that's not all that there is to it. So number one new feature of this platform is you are now allowed to send messages straight to phone numbers. So that means you do not need to have that contact saved before you send messages to it. So you don't need to have the number saved before it shows up on your WhatsApp. And by this, it also allows you to manage your chats across up to 10 different devices. So let's say you have sales rep. So when you have a single link, that means you can have up to 10 phone numbers linked to one account with the WhatsApp Business API. So simultaneously, your sales rep or your person in charge of your chats can reply to at different 10 different devices at the same times. And this API is going to go for a fee. It's not a free feature. It's a feature coming WhatsApp Business for a fee. And one interesting feature of this is you are now allowed to bring in payment integration into WhatsApp Business. So you don't have to wait to send your account number to a particular client. No, there's now payment integration. So that means the client can pay to your company account directly from WhatsApp. Just like the way you have, you can use Stripe, you can use Flutterwave, you can use PayPal. So you can now integrate it into your WhatsApp business that will allow you that will allow clients make financial transaction with you. So make financial transaction for WhatsApp business very easy and fast. Now another feature of this that makes it so interesting to use is that your first 1,000 conversations for a month will be going free of charge. So that means you can run a test. You can run a test with a number and see if it fits into your business needs. So your first 1,000 conversation with the WhatsApp Cloud API is going free of charge. And okay, it has this super feature is that you can now integrate WhatsApp Cloud with your back end. So your back end is more like your database. So every of your chats can now be stored in your own database and ready for future analysis or for record purpose. So you can integrate the WhatsApp Cloud API with your back end. It has okay. So we'll talk about one other feature, uh, which is every of your chats will remain on the WhatsApp API for a period of 30 days. So that means that's just like a month. So for a month, all your chats, you can still review all your chats. So even when you don't integrate with the back end for one complete month, you still have access to all of your chats. It also collects information, so this is where you have to be very careful with using this. Meta has always had an issue with privacy, although they are sure that the data is going to be made very private. There's security on it, but it's also stated that they have access to the phone numbers you make transaction with and every detail about the business registered on them, The reason for this is for spam detection, for fraud detection. But Facebook, as we popularly know the company, has always had issue with data privacy. They intrude into customers' data, so that's one red flag to using this new platform. And the incoming messages to the platform are unlimited. They are unlimited, unlike the outgoing messages that can have a limit based on the payments that you have made. It also integrates message templates. If you find out if you find the way HR responds to job recruiters or send customized emails, so you can also bring a message template when you want a general message, want to send it to your clients or a group of people. So it integrates message templates into this. So WhatsApp have access to the phone number that you have communicated with, and they promise high level of privacy. So it's also an end-to-end encrypted chat. It's end-to-end encryption and no part of Meta. When they say part of Meta, that means other companies, other subsidiaries of Meta, which is Facebook and Instagram. So Facebook and Instagram does not have access to the data that is stored on the WhatsApp cloud platform. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and I would like to hear your comments on this. What do you think? Do you think one should subscribe to the WhatsApp cloud API, or we should give it a watch for a few time and see what comes out of it? So I would like to hear from you in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the end.